Everybody, this is Silver Bullet Ballistics. Today's video we are going to be cleaning a Rossi RS-22. I want to send a big shout out to my buddy Andrew for letting me bring home this weapon, cleaning it for him, and showing you guys how I do it. First, you want to make sure that it is always empty and there is no magazine. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and lock back that bolt by pulling it all the way back and pushing in towards the gun on the handle. Now I will be sending a brush down the barrel and then a mop down the barrel and then a brush again and then pushing some patches through. So I will pause the video and go ahead and do that. Okay, now that I did that, I will be spraying some of this Hops No. 9 Gun Medic. It's a cleaner and a lubricant. I will be spraying that in here. So let me do that real quick. And I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video real quick and clean that up. Okay, I just cleaned that up. It's nice inside. Now I will take a Q-tip and make sure I got all of that carbon out of there. Okay. You want to make sure that you get the magazine well too. Make sure that the magazine will go in properly and it'll feed properly. Now I will be putting some of this Hops No. 9. It's a lubricant gun oil. I like it because it's got the needle nose. I will go ahead and put a few drops on the inside. Make sure everything is moving properly. I'll go ahead and unlock the bolt and move that around a few times. And same with the outside. I like to use these Remington oil wipes on the gun. It's just like a wipey almost. And I will go ahead and wipe down the whole entire gun. Including the stock too. And the trigger. Pretty much wipe everything you can reach. Okay, and that is how you do a basic cleaning on a Rossi RS-22. Thank you for watching Silver Bullet Ballistics. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.